Thanks for joining us today. I just wanted to take this opportunity to let you know about some of the services we have to offer to you at Servant Crafts and the ways that we can help one another. Not only do we want to make really good and high quality videos to help you work on your felt or crocheting, crafting, and to improve your craft and to help it really be something that's lasting for your family and for posterity. But we also recognize that many times I've had the opportunity to help people who have purchased Busilla kits, felt kits of some kind, usually stockings, but any other kind. And they got into it or didn't start it at all and realized that this really wasn't for them for a million different reasons. Every person has a different reason, and all of them are perfect. So I understand. I mean, there are kinds of crafting that I don't care to do. I've tried, I know how to do them. Counted cross stitch and knitting, for examples. They don't take me to my peaceful place, and I don't have a lot of joy when I'm doing them. So I understand starting something and then saying, hey, this isn't for me. So here we are at Servant Crafts to offer you the ability we can finish your kit for you. And there's a fee, of course, for us to make that for you and to finish it off and then to ship it out to you. Please just reach us by email at servantcrafts@gmail.com. I'll put that in the description as well. And we can help you to finish a kit that maybe you've started or maybe you purchased but didn't even start. The other thing we have is we know that there are a lot of folks out there who are garage sailors and thrifters, and they may come across Busilla felt kits at just nominal prices. Reach out to me. Let me know you found something like that and see if I possibly would reimburse you and have you ship it to me. I do make stockings for sale that are not commissioned, but I also do commissions. And so I could use those to make and to sell to those who would really appreciate them. Also, if you have a kit you purchased and you're really not interested in paying the fee to have it finished for you, you just want it to go somewhere, I am willing to take it from you. You can send it to me. I'll put my mailing address in the description as well. So we can help one another out by, I can finish your kits if it's not for you, and have you be able to gift a beautiful something to a family or friend. Or if you have something that you're just not going to do, I'd be happy to take it off your hands. If you find one while crafting or garage sailing or whatever you're doing, thrifting, snap a picture of it, send me an email, let me know, and I might just want to buy it from you. So let's help one another. Help me to continue to provide for others beautiful kits that are finished and ready to be gifted by either making them and putting them out for sale or by making them on commission. So we hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. We hope you're planning for Christmas already. I just put my fall decorations out. So we are always in a Christmas frame of mind here at Servant Crafts. So please, please, please feel free to reach out with any questions or concerns that you may have. We're here to help. Have a blessed day.